Agrepino Sumale. I started NetSoft last year, November 2015, and I have a little bit background in IT. It says technical certification during my training and educations. Currently, I have certification of MCSA, MCP, MCSE, MCTS, and VCA, VCP. Currently working on Exchange and Citrix, Advanced VMware. I will continue to earn more certifications as our new courses develops in the future. Right now, I'm working on SCCM as well. So hopefully we can get this. I can get the certification as soon as the training and courses is done. NetSoft, I heard about it through my friends. So far, I'm halfway done. I believe I'm 6 trainings, 6 courses. You have enough time to understand, develop, and acquire more knowledge as soon as the courses go along. And if you feel that you don't know end to end, you can always repeat it. The trainers are incomparable compared to other institutes. The abilities, their technical skills, and the way they communicates to students, it's not like a typical college, right? You get to know the trainers very well. You get to talk to them easily. They are easy to be. They're very approachable. They will help you in terms of if you're in the production and if you're in a live environment, they still communicate to you. NetSoft spent a lot of time developing your technical skills, and it's not just also developing the technical skills, but improving the way how you present yourself. Presentation skills. It's a complete package in so many ways. They give you a lot of scenarios wherein you can use it in your day-to-day tasks. If you're working in IT, those scenarios you can use them. You can use them in your projects. You can use them also to resolve issues. So it's all like that's what gives you. That's what the institute gives you. It is the full package. It's not like a typical education. Trainers always challenges me and my classmates in different ways. There's so many ways they challenge us. They challenge us in terms of when you present your project, how you're gonna start, where you're gonna start. They always diverge their experience to our experience. So when it comes to problems, they don't just give you the answer. They want you to figure out yourself, trouble yourself. Like you have to reset it yourself. So basically, they just don't tell you, oh, this is the fix. No, they want you to think, and they want you to always have that confidence that you can fix it, regardless how long it takes for you to figure it out, or regardless if you don't know or not. It's just you have to be you have to know what you're really doing in order for you to fix certain things. I don't think there's gonna be a cons, but you will be a lot of pros. So the pros probably you get to learn a lot. You get to meet a lot of people, right? You get to get a lot of extras. You get to develop not just your technical skills, but your communication skills, you learn to present yourself. The cons will be like you spend a lot of time. Like you're definitely gonna have to spend more times at NetSoft rather than more time at work. For one course, I believe I spent like more than 160 an hours. Like I said, if you spend more time, the courses, the training, gonna be much more easier. So I was a System Center Configuration Manager with one of the senior trainer at NetSoft. His abilities, his technical skills, and his ability to teach is incomparable. There's a different energy with one of the trainers in NetSoft. He brings a lot of energy in class wherein it really motivates you. You have to be like dedicated and you have to be committed if you want to achieve a goal. And I believe NetSoft provide that vision. NetSoft develop you to be that person that you want to be.